Hello guys, this is TianChad here. So today I'm going to do a quick test flight of the DJI Spark, and I've learned some of the hand gesture, but to be safe I've linked it to the mobile phone so that I have a second control just in case it acting weird when I'm using the hand gesture. So now in order for me to launch it without pressing this, I'll just need to double tap the button behind. And
phase aware successful. Aircraft will take off.
Alright.
Take off.
There you
The
go.
home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
It's hovering to me, and I can just control using the hand gesture.
Palm control in process.
Yes, and you see the light is green, then you can slowly move the hand palm and it will move. This is how you control, and I'm not sure how to make it backward. Okay, it's working today, so come here so I can get the LRT shot behind. Oh, not high enough. Maybe you can see a bit of it, but now I would like to launch it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you start to go to a distance, and
Tracing.
I can do the confirm follow.
Beacon successful. Aircraft is returning.
So now you can see that, oh, I just summoned it, come back. So let me do this again. Okay, let me do
Palm
this
control
again
in process.
to enable the palm control. So after that, I can send it backward and start to look at me.
Tracing.
So it's now tracing me, as you can see the camera, and I can just go anywhere I want and it will just follow me. Oops, it lost the image of me. So now he found me again. He's just following. Maybe this way I just walk backwards so that you can see me. Maybe I try behind if he still can track me. Yes, okay, now because it's tracking already, so maybe I can just running around. And this is the good thing that you will like about the DJI Spark. Other than that, you can also stop the control and of course use the handphone control here to control it. Let me try to control it and capture some nice shot of the masjid right besides me. Alright, this is the playground. Let me turn one more round, and I need to switch the remote so that I can control the camera here. And then, oh, strong wind today. Yep, this is the masjid. So I can send it go front. Remember to always keep your drone in sight when you're flying it. Whoops. Let me try to slowly control this. Let's see how high it can go. Now the height is around 26 meters. Just go all the way up. And I'll try to circling around while go up. Oh no, there's a bird. Damn it. Okay, now I need to switch the control to just control down the camera, and then maybe I'll just send it backward. Remember to always check where is your drone so you can have an idea of how and where it begins, so that you won't be attacked by any birds randomly. Turn up, and then let's circle around with it. For now, it already showed me like the poor flight channel, so somehow the signal won't be strong if you are controlling your drone without the remote. But anyhow, if you are getting near to the location which is right beside, you are still able to control the drone. And do always make sure that it locked with a GPS. So if it locks signal, you still can control the drone, as in it will come back to the home point, the home launching point. Oops. Alright, now you see lost signal. So I'll try to control it back. This is the disadvantages when you are controlling without the remote, because for our phone we don't have the strong antenna to control it. But this is how it looks like from the view. So I shall stand it back here near me so that I can have a wider view of the masjid. Let's look around here. Whoops, lost signal again. So it's always better for you to like really, oh, wait, I saw a lot of big birds. So it'll be quite dangerous if they are eagles. That's my car. And that's my drone. Coming back, and let's try to point at the masjid again. This masjid has a huge lake right here. I can't control like both the direction of the drone and the camera with my phone, so I always need to switch between the screen, which is, I find it very troublesome. So it's kind of basic control, and if you are really getting the DJI Spark, please do make sure that you are getting the remote as well. Or just invest a few more $100 for the DJI Mavic Pro, so that you can have better control to do professional footage.